Hello Techsable. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to play or try big Android games like Free Fire or COD Mobile without installing from Google Play Store. Just try the game, and if you like the game then you can install it if you want. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open Google Play Store on your Android device. We are talking about big games, so let's search for Free Fire now. As you can see, there is a try now option available next to the install button. Just click on it. As you can see, Free Fire is now started. We can try the game without installing. So after trying this game, I can decide whether to install or not to install this game. You will get try now option in all big games like COD Mobile and many other big games. First try the game, then decide to install it or not. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a like and also subscribe to the channel for more tech tricks updates.